Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll draw this piece here in FreeCAD. And to create this piece here in FreeCAD, we'll use these dimensions here. So this model will be the reference to create the new model. So we create new file and here we change to part design workbench. Create body and create the sketch in XY plane. And here go to sketch geometries and select this center rectangle tool. Click in the center point and draw the sketch here. Okay. In this reference model, we can see this dimension 8 and 200. Okay, so we come back to this model and we set the dimension for this sketch. First, we select this horizontal distance tool, and here we set 8. Now select this vertical distance tool and here change to 200 and close the sketch. Press Home and select this pad tool. Here we see a pad of 10, so here we click OK. And now we select this face here and create the sketch. And again we go to select this center rectangle tool and we draw this rectangle. And here we see the dimension for this sketch. Here we have 50 and 7. So here we select this horizontal distance tool. We change here to 50 and here to here we have 120. So we click in this line and here we change to 120 and next we close the sketch and we select this pad tool and here we see a pad of 108. So we come back and we change this dimension. Okay, and now we select this face here and we create new sketch. Here we go to sketch geometries and we select the cycle tool and we draw these two cycles. Select equal constraint and select these two cycles and now select this symmetric constraint. Select this point and now this horizontal line. Okay, in this model we see a diameter of 15 for the cycles and we have this distance between the cycles 106. So first we select this tool here and we constrain the diameter of these cycles to 15. And next we select this tool here, this vertical distance tool, and we click in this point and now this point. And here we set 106 and then close the sketch. Select this pocket tool and here set triangle and OK. So now we have this all here. Okay, next create a new sketch in YZ plane. Okay, and here switch to section view, select cycle tool and draw the cycle here. And now let's see the dimension for this cycle. So here we have this radius here for this wall and we have this dimension 10. Okay, the distance between the center of this cycle to this point here is 125. So here we select this vertical distance tool and we click in this origin point and the center point and here we set 125 and then select this constraint, click in the cycle and here we set okay, the diameter here is 8. Close the sketch and go to pad tool. Here check this option symmetric to plane and now let's see the value of the pad. The value of the pad is 100. Is this value here. Click OK and now we see this And now select this face here, create a new sketch. Use this tool to extract this edge here and you get this center point. And now select the cycle tool and draw this cycle here. In this reference model we see a diameter of 110. So we select this tool here and we constrain this diameter to 110 and then close the sketch. Go to pad tool. Here we go to this view and check this option, reverse it. And here we see that the value of the pad is 8. So we come back to this model and here we change to 8 and OK. And now we select this pad here and we go to this mirror tool. And here we go to plane and here we select this YZ plane here. So select YZ plane and you can see this pad here and now click OK. And next select this face here and go to this tool here, this wall. Change here to track wall and let's set the diameter for this wall. So here we see a radius of 30. So here we change to 6 and click OK, and now we have this. Okay, and next we create new sketch. Now in X plane, switch to section view and here we go to sketch geometries and we select this rectangle tool and we draw these two rectangles. Now we select this equal constraint, select this line and this line. Now this line and this line. And now select this symmetric constraint and constrain these 2 points to this line here. Okay, and now we will use this tool here to extract this edge and this edge here. So let's see the dimension for this sketch. Here we see this dimension 5, this 5 and 6. So first we select this horizontal distance tool and select these 2 points. Here we set the distance to 6 and the length of this line here is 5. Okay. And here we see this value here. So select this vertical distance tool and select this point and now this point. And here we set 5 and then click close this sketch. Press on and go to this groove tool. Okay, here we go to axis and we select the reference option. And here we select this edge and we got this this part. Click OK. And now we create new sketch in YZ plane. Switch to section view and here go to sketch geometries and select slot tool and draw the slot. Okay, and now delete this arc here. Select polyline tool and draw this. Okay, now select these 2 points here and coincident. Select this horizontal constraint, constrain these 2 points. Okay, now select the symmetric constraint tool, constrain these 2 points to this line. Okay, and now let's see the dimension for this sketch here. So okay, here we have this dimension 15 and the rest of this arc here is 50. Okay, here we have a distance of 10 and this 7. So okay, here we select this tool here and we change the radius of this arc to 50. Okay, select this tool and constrain this line here, and now select this horizontal distance tool, here set 7, and now use this tool to extract this edge. Drag this point, and now select this vertical distance tool, select these 2 points and set this distance to 10 millimeters. Okay, and okay, now we select this tool here and we create a point in this line here, and we select this vertical distance tool, we select these 2 points, and the distance here we set 15. Okay, and now we select this line and this point and we do this. So now we close the sketch here and we go to this pocket tool, set symmetric to plane, and here we see a pocket of this dimension. So here we change and click OK, and now we see this. And now let's select this part here. So we select this face and we go to fillet tool. Here we change to 2 millimeters and we click in this add button, and now we add this face, okay, click in this add button and you see this fillet, and now click OK. Now select this edge and go to fillet tool. Okay, here we see a fillet of 5, so here we change to 5 and then click in this add button, and here we change to wireframe, and then we select this edge. Okay, it's all. Now change to flat lines and click OK. Okay, is that, and now we create a new sketch in XY plane. Switch to section view, and here use this tool to draw this rectangle, and now close the sketch, select pocket tool, and here we go to type and we select up to face, and now we select this face here, and now we see this cut here.